In this video, we are going to see that if we want to insert a background music or an audio in our presentations in PowerPoint, here's how we can easily do it. And just remember guys, all of the functions that we are learning right now, it's quite basic, but when we do a complete project or combine all of these functions, that all options are very, very important. So we will go to the same section where we inserted the video from. Just go to the insert area, and on our right, we have the audio option next to video. So you can include the audio directly from your PC, or you can even record the audio and include it in your presentation. So for example, you want to record your voice, you can do it. Just press record and you can easily insert that. So first of all, let's try inserting the audio from our PC. And what I'll do is I'll just include any kind of background music that is royalty free. Let's click on insert. Now here we have two kind of icons. As soon as we move one of them, one is this loudspeaker and one is this player. As soon as we hold on to any of them, both of these will move. Similarly, as soon as we select that, we have the audio format and playback like we had in the videos as well. So let's go to the audio format. These are all the picture styles that you can use to format it better. And even you can, use different soft edge rectangle. It completely hides that. So you can easily do that. Click on reset picture whenever you want to reset it to original point. And if you go to the playback, let's say that you don't want to show this audio during the play. So you don't want to show this icon, because right now, if we even click on full screen, we can still see on our bottom right that we see this loudspeaker option. So click on hide during the show. And now when we play it to full screen, it will not show it. But this is all the background music. So what we can do is we can loop it until stopped, and it should start automatically from the start of the slide. But make sure that you place the background music at the start of the slides and not in the middle. Click on the start. And now you can notice that it is playing the audio in the background. Now, when we start playing this, like from the first slide, we can notice that the audio is playing in the background. Everything is perfect. But when we click on the next slide, it suddenly stops. So how we can resolve that? Because this is the background music that we want for all the slides, right? So let's click on this audio, click on the playback, and it says play across slides. This is play in background. Now let's try this. It's playing. Now it plays through all the slides. So this adds an awesome effect or awesome ambience, especially if you're presenting something unique for your company presentation or for whatever, or maybe for your course introduction or any kind of introduction about yourself. This is the option. Similarly, if you want to talk along with you playing the slides and playing some background music, what you can do here is just adjust the sound a little bit. Just go to the playback and you can make all the adjustments. Click the volume to low in that case. And you can also add fade in, fade out effects. You already know what these are. It will gradually increase the background sound and it will continue at a same level. And whenever you wind up the presentation, it will automatically fade out slowly, not abruptly. You can also trim through the audio. Just click on trim audio and you can select any specific portion. If you want to start it from that point, click OK and it will be trimmed. Now we have explored all of these options, right? So let's delete that audio for now and let's insert an audio that we record. Click on record video and we can record it directly from the PowerPoint recorder. Let's try that. Click on record. Hi everyone, my name is Saad and welcome to the PowerPoint course where we will learn the PowerPoint from basic to advanced. So here we will start working on the shapes and we will also see how we cover different topics in this course. So let's get started. Click OK. Hello everyone, my name is Saad and I will be your instructor for this course. Okay, once your sound is complete, recorded sound is complete, you should click on stop, and now you can play it. Okay, once your sound is complete, recorded sound is complete, you should click OK, and now it's right here. You can play through it. But you will notice something, that when we inserted the earlier one, it didn't record. Why? Because we didn't press stop, and most importantly, we didn't rename that. So in that cases, it will not be saved. Let me just show you again. Click on audio and record this sound. If we just record it like this and we just press OK, after that, nothing is inserted. But if we go onto audio again and record the sound again, let's try my recorded sound. Record it like this, whatever you want to record. After that, just press stop, click OK, and now you can see this icon appears and your voice is properly saved. Record it. And even what we can do is we can insert both of them. Let's say that this is the voice that I want for myself, and the other one that we have inserted from our PC is the background music. So let's say this is the background music. You can set different volume levels for both as well. Since this is a background music, we can set it to low, and the recorded sound can be set to high. Similarly, for voice, you want to play it across all slides, so the options will be same. So this is how you can include any kind of audio in your presentation, whether it's your own recorded voice, it's a background music, or any other audio. And we have also explored how we can customize it to play through all the slideshows and how we can adjust the sound and everything else. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.